Welcome in this new video. My name is Julian Capano. I am the founder of the AI Revenue Chef System and a chef placement company that is a consulting company helping chefs to generate consistently 10 to 20K a month private chef gigs. In this video, I am going to cover how my team and I can fully install a done-for-you system inside your private chef business that will generate at least $10,000 in profit within the next 45 days inside of your business, or you don't pay us a cent and we'll give you $3,000 to waste your time. So let's get into it. I prepared a little walkthrough video that I want to show you today. So this system is based on 4 steps. The first one is the AI-based personal brand. The other one is the lead generation engine powered also by artificial intelligence. Then a high converting outreach system, so you don't have to think about where the leads come from, how to get them. We provide those leads for you, we select them for you, we qualify them for you. So the only thing you have to do is to actually show up, talk about logistic, close, and go and cook for those people. And finally, the last point will be a sales, CRM, data tracking, and training to make sure that you actually stay on top of those leads and even increase your closing rate so you can even make more money inside of your business. So let's dive into the first step, the AI-based personal brand. What we do is that we provide you a .for-you website, logo, and domain. Everything is already made. We provide this to you, and the only thing you have to do is literally just provide that to your client. This also comes with a custom pitch deck and a high converting offer and proposal ready to send. Each single offer and proposals are actually tailored to your client. What that means is that you and I will actually have a conversation based on the persona and the profile of the potential client that you'll be working with, and working again with artificial intelligence and the hours that I've been actually feeding the tool will be coming up with a brand new offer for every single client that you'll be presenting it to. Then the lead generation engine. What we do is that we actually find the leads for you on Apollo.com. You can go and check the tool directly online. Super really famous tool. They've got a base of over 300 million users and verified contacts inside of it. What we do is super simple. We're going to activate a few filters, like the location where you actually based, like the buying intent, the titles of the people that you are going to target. Ideally, we only want you to talk with business owners and founders. And finally, the revenue generated by the company that they actually own. I don't want you to talk to somebody that owns a company that is making $500,000 a year. Why? Because more than likely, they might not even take home 200,000. We want you to talk to people who are at least generating with the company 10 million, okay, 10 to 100 million, and we have thousands and thousands and thousands of leads available, okay? So that's the first thing we do. Then, when I have access to this pool of lead, what I'll do is that I'll qualify them, or enrich phone numbers and validate emails, so the contacts that are actually tagged inside your CRM and sent to are ready to be sold, but more importantly, active and verified users. When it comes down to the high converting outreach system, cold emails are sent for you daily. What I mean by send for you is that you don't even have to think about this. We are sending emails on bulks using a tool that is called Mailgun, that is actually here to maintain and verify deliverability. We want to make sure that every time that an email is being sent on your behalf, it actually lands in the main mailbox of that person. No in the spam, no in the ad section. It actually lands in directly the primary section. We also have automations, workflows, and reminders that are already live. I'm showing you here a cold email sequence. We're not just sending one cold email and then we're just waiting and hoping magically that people will get back to you. No, we're actually making sure that those people are being followed by 1, 2, 3 times among a 7-day weekly period. Okay, so we'll send approximately 3 emails. We can send more, 4, 5, 6, but ideally there'll be 3 emails on a 7-day time frame. And then if people don't answer, we just move to the next person. Okay. And then finally, the fourth step, which is the sales CRM data tracking and training. Every single day, you've got daily KPIs tracking with our team to help you optimize, close more deals, and make more money. But on top of this, we also record every single call that you have with potential customers for training purposes and weekly review. That means that we do role plays, I do call reviews, I hop on the calls with you to help you close deals. So there's literally no way for you not to make an extra $10,000 within the next 45 days. And even if it happens, as I'm telling you, I will close deals myself for you. Not somebody on my team, not an assistant, me, Julian, close deals for you on your behalf without taking any percentage out of this. Now, you might be thinking how the system works. Well, you don't need to be a tech genius. You don't need a marketing degree. You just need to be a chef who is ready to work like a professional. So let me show you exactly how this system works step by step. The step number 1, as I mentioned to you, we actually do done for you branding. We don't just give you a website, we give you the kind of brand that gets taken seriously by people who are willing to drop $3,000 on a simple dinner without blinking. The high-end personal website is using artificial intelligence to find psychological triggers to make it look like you already work with celebrities. So I'm just showing you really quick what your website will technically look like. Okay, this is, by the way, this is just a mock-up or sample, a template, but this is pretty much what you can expect right away. Okay, and this is delivered right to you right away when we start working together. Okay, so that's website. You are being offered also a booking calendar that builds trust and professionalism instead of a regular Google agenda. Okay, this is what it looks like. We're also using a form to pre-qualify people before you actually book them or them booking themselves right through your website for a strategy session. And then, as I mentioned to you earlier, I am crafting with you one-on-one live a ready-to-send pitch deck and proposal created by AI with thousands of hours of personal research to create personalized, tailored offers that clients cannot refuse. Just to be really clear, I am not just asking AI to create me something that the AI has no idea or understanding about. Okay, I've been feeding that artificial intelligence with thousands of hours of trainings, of knowledge, of previous offers that already worked in that industry in order for the AI to actually know. And plus, obviously, we adding the information that we have from the client so the AI can come up with something that is exactly tailored to that person need. Okay? Next up, step number 2, lead generation powered again by artificial intelligence. Most chefs waste months wondering how to get leads. Here, you don't have this problem. The AI scrubs, verifies, and uploads your leads every single week. We auto-tag, auto-segment, and track your lead flow so you know who to call and when. Everything is completely automated in the backend. You have to touch absolutely no tech at all. The only thing you do is that you wake up and your outreach is already done. You just open the app and follow the path. Which then leads you to the step number 3, the sales infrastructure. You don't need to be a sales expert. You just need a system that does the heavy lifting for you, aka an AI agent or a chatbot. So, just wanted to show you this because we don't have this in the system yet, so we still pre-qualify people with you before actually having them on the call, because but this is coming pretty soon. So I just wanted to show you kind of like what the AI is coming up with to give you a proper understanding of what the AI agent will actually do for you when it will be the time to be released, which, by the way, it's coming now with like May 11. That'll be released by the end of this month. Can I get access to an AI agent that looks like an appointment setter, integrates with Go High Level, which is the software that we're using to handle all the backend, get leads automatically, qualifies them, and books high-paying clients. So all I have to do is show up and get paid. Yes, you can absolutely get access to an AI appointment setter that does exactly that. Here's a breakdown of what's possible right now using tools that integrates with Go High Level. By the way, if you don't know yet what Go High Level is and who they are, I highly recommend you to go right now and to check them out on Google. Okay, Go High Level is a billion-dollar company, or multiple nine figures on a company. If they're not making a billion a year in revenue, they're making maybe hundreds of millions a year. I am a certified partner of Go High Level. That means that I am actually using their software and their system to actually help you guys to build all your backend. Okay, so everything, I am not a tech guy, I'm not an engineer, but everything that I do that is related to AI systems and automations is actually done by Go High Level, and I am just one of their partner providing you the tool by being the main agent, if we can call it this way. Okay, I'm at the agency level and I am the responsible and the manager of your guys' accounts, which allows me to help you to build all the backends so you don't have to focus on all the sales, marketing, branding, and tech aspect of your business, but only get leads ready to actually close, go to the house, and provide the service to them. Okay? So, how the system, the AI appointment setting system will actually work. The step number one is that we bring you qualified leads on autopilot, which is provided, as I mentioned, by the artificial intelligence tool called Apollo. You don't need to hunt a cold call. Our system finds people who can afford you, grabs the contact info, and loads them straight into your pipeline and your CRM every single day. This is clear. We've talked about that. Now, the AI handles the outreach and qualifies them for you. You don't need to text or to chase anyone. The AI send messages, ask the right questions, reply to the emails that were being sent in the beginning, and to the responses to the emails that were being sent. Filters out the broke ones, the ones that are not actually interested by your services, and talks only to serious clients who want to hire a chef like you. And the final step number 3, you just show up to close high-ticket clients. By the time you hop on the call, they've seen your brand, they watched your video, and already want what you are offering. You're not convincing, you are just here to confirm and then get paid on the call before even providing the event. Okay? And then we jump into step number 4, which is the breakdown of the sales process, what you'll have to do between, the AI qualifying the appointments for you and you performing at the client's house. Sales calls, which is a confirmation, nothing about persuasion and trying to influence people or convince them to buy your stuff. By the time someone talks to you, here is what already happened. They've seen your website. They watched your video and your introduction and everything about you that makes them want to buy from you. They write your proposal, they pick the time to meet, they got follow-up email and reminders. You are not here to pitch, you're just confirming a fit with a potential client and collecting payment. This is the end of this video. I am looking forward to talk to you on the call and see if there is any fit, any alignment between what we do inside of a chef placement and what you're looking for to help you generate $10,000 to $20,000 per month consistently with your private chef business. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.